verify that your subscriptions are viewable. And I have been asked to make this video by a few of my subscribers. The last giveaway that I was hosting, I had so many people that did not have their subscriptions visible, and I just hated it. So the first thing I've done is I have just went to my channel. I'm going to click my little icon, and I am going to go to settings. And then once you're in settings, you'll go over here on the left and select privacy. And mine is where everything is visible. My subscriptions are visible. And this says keep all my subscriptions private. So you will want to make sure this is not highlighted. If it is highlighted, then your subscription list is private. So you just want to slide it to the left where it's not highlighted. And that is all you need to do to make sure that your subscription list is viewable by others. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.